everyone. I am Sabrina and my co-partner Anjum ma'am from Sarjapur. We are going to present the game Spin the Wheel, where we are taking the grammar topic tenses, where we focus grade 6 to 10. And our objective will be, ma'am, yeah, where we focusing on. We are focusing this for 6 to 10. It can be played virtually as well as it can be played physically. Virtually, the cost will be 0 and physically the cost will be 10 rupees. The objectives will be improving grammar, concentration level, reading skills, and retaining ability. This game will be having 3 rounds. For further details, I hand over it to Anjum ma'am. Anjum ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anjum, and let me just take up for the explain the rules for the virtual game. There are 3 rounds in this game. The first round will focus on simple and continuous tenses, where each students need to spin the wheel. With the help of the given word and the tenses that will be displayed, students are going to frame a sentence. Each child, whoever is spinning, will be given 25 seconds of time to frame the sentence after the wheel stops spinning. Students who are unable to frame the sentence will not move to the second round, whereas students who frame the sentence within the given time will move to the second round. In the second round, we are focusing on perfect and perfect continuous tenses. So again, the students will be given 25 seconds of time to frame the sentences. Whoever crosses or frames the sentences within 25 seconds will move to the final round, which is called as battle royal. Now here, this is a bit toughest round where the winners of the second round will be focusing on identification of the structure of the tense form, and they have to name that. Again, the students will be given 25 seconds of time to identify the structure, and whoever wins or identifies the structures and names that will be the winner. So now, in order to give you the glimpse of the game, I want, do we have Nagamani ma'am here? So I would like to request Nagamani ma'am to just have a round with us. Like each round, we'll play with 3 different teachers. So let me start sharing out my screen here. Okay, so let me instruct you. See, I'll be spinning out the wheel. Once the wheel stops spinning, you will get a pop-up where there is a word. You have to take that word and frame a sentence within 25 seconds. Okay, so assuming that you are a student, let us go and play the first round. So shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay, fine, done. Here we go. And your timer starts now.
Yes. So should I frame now?
Yes, of course, within the time.
Yeah. Yes. So I admire the nature as it gives beautiful, like as it attracts me. Just a short sentence.
Okay, done. Okay, so you completed the sentence. There were just 2 seconds left over. Okay, fine. As we have crossed the first round, let us move to the second round where we are concentrating on perfect and perfect continuous tenses.
But so the student who were unable to...
Okay, ma'am.
The student who will be unable won't be go forward.
Round, okay, whoever second round. Now here I want somebody else, like who is interested to play the second round. Anybody could volunteer, please? Nisha ma'am, could you please join us? Nisha ma'am? Okay, yeah, no issues. Yeah. So I'm going to spin the wheel. Please try to frame the sentence within the time. Here we are focusing on perfect and perfect sentences. Okay, we'll start. And your time starts now.
The insect injected its poison into the boy.
Sorry, ma'am?
The insect injected the poison into the boy.
Past injected. Perfect. Okay. So now because you have crossed the second stage, we are moving to the third stage. Would somebody else like to participate? Somebody else? Would you like to continue, Ruby ma'am? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anjum.
Okay. Okay. So now, Ruby ma'am, would you like to continue with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. So this is the final round where we are going to identify the structure. So I'm going to spin the wheel and you have to identify the structure and frame a sentence within 25 seconds. And your timer starts now.
Okay. So this is
Frame a sentence. No, not a sentence. Identify the tense form and name it. What tense form is it?
present continuous tense. No. Have been.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry, the timer is up. Okay, this is how the third round goes. Whoever crosses this third round would be the winner. And for the winners, we have decided, like, if it is a physical game, whoever wins would be the monitor of the class for the month, or if we have not appointed any monitor, or he would be monitor for the next month. If it is virtual, we can go ahead and distribute some badges or stars or something like that. And apart from that, here we are, there will be low achievers, because the class is divided into lots, hots, and hot. We have 3 categories which have been divided in the class. So when we focus on lots for the learners, basic learners, we can go ahead and take verbs which are very simple, like play, run. So that kind of verbs can be used in the first level so that they can be motivated. They cross the first level and go to the second level. And as we cross, as we move on with the second round and the third round, the rounds get deeper and deeper. And if we are focusing on hots, definitely we have to add some verbs so that the game really becomes tough for them. That's all, ma'am. Hope you enjoyed the game. Any questions, please?